friends, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today we are going to check the vocabulary and other topics. But first, the vocabulary of today is found. Found is the verb find, but in past. And for example, I found a cell phone yesterday. I found a cell phone. I found a cell phone yesterday. Okay? And treasure hunt. A treasure hunt is when you go or look for a treasure. Okay? And whose used especially in questions or when asking about which person is responsible for something. For example, whose umbrella is this? For example, whose umbrella is this? Continue watching the video for more explanation about the topic.
Today we are going to talk about the clues. Okay, a clue is a piece of evidence or information used to solve a mystery or to find something. These are examples about clues. For example, in this case, are example about the Easter eggs. And the first, follow the clues to a gift for you. The first one is easy. It's in your shoe. Number 2, library bag and lunch and hat. You will find me here, and that is that. Okay, you have to follow the clues to find the object or the things that you are reading or finding. The activities are: first, my own. Write in your notebook the clues of my own reading. And Forum 7.
See you tomorrow.